In our Alma 305 class today, we're going to learn something about working with normalization rules in the Metadata Editor. I'm going to move to my Metadata Editor. And I'm going to open a record on the left-hand side pane so that it will be in edit mode on the right-hand side of the pane. Let's just move this down. Now, Alma allows us to create normalization rules that we can use in order to do global updates of bibliographic records. If we want to test a normalization rule, we have the option of adding these rules to our metadata editor and testing them on a particular record to see if the rule does what we expect it to do. I'm going to click on this option here to open the normalization rules, and I have some rules that I created, and I'm going to first of all come to my right hand pane and click on the option to edit a rule, remove 952 fields. Let's just scroll down and have a look at this particular record. This is a record that I brought in from WorldCat, and as I scroll down I can see that there are many 952 fields that I would like Alma to automatically remove for me when I'm bringing it in either in the metadata editor or, as I mentioned, as part of a global update of a batch of records. So I'm going to click on Preview to see what Alma does with this. We can scroll down here and we can see that the 952 fields have been removed. Looking at this, I see that there are also 938 fields. So what I can do is I can just modify this rule. I'm going to do Control-C and Control-V, and I'm going to just simply change this and say I want to remove the 948 fields, and I'll do a preview on that again, and let's see if it has removed the 948 fields. Yes, 948 fields, 938 fields remain, and in the same way I could modify that particular rule in order to include that as well. We can see here that we have other examples of rules, so let's have a look at a few other examples. Let's see this particular rule for changing text in a field. So we can see a rule. This perhaps is not a logical rule from the point of view of Mark 21 subject heading formats, but as an example we want to replace United States with USA in the subfield Z of the 650 field. So let's scroll down our record. Let's just move this along a little to see that we have a number of fields with subfield Z United States. Let's click on the preview button, scroll down, and we can see now that all the 650 fields with a subfield Z United States have been replaced with USA. I have the option to go back to my preview or to actually save the changes that I made. Let's take another look. We want to add a field to our bibliographic record, so we will just click Edit on this particular option, and let's click on the preview to see that this field is added. It will most surely be added at the bottom of the screen. There we are. So this is a very, very powerful option that Alma offers us, the option of being able to create rules and apply them when updating a global batch of records, or creating a rule and using it in order to modify a record in a very simple and easy manner in the metadata editor. This concludes our overview of working with normalization rules in the metadata editor in Alma.